Subscribe to the William Pace Show YouTube channel. Be sure to click the bell and give us the thumbs up. Thank you.
The William Pace Show through the years has been a beacon of light in the Midwest, taking you to such destinations as the Navy Pier, the Palmer Hilton Palace Hotel, the German Village, the Showboat Majestic Theatre, the Ohio Village, and the Krohn Conservatory. There's always something cooking in the kitchen on the William Pace Show. Some of the biggest stars, entertainers, and political figures like B.B. King, Jimmy Walker, Bob Carlisle, Patti Austin, Mr. T, Whitley Phibbs, and Congressman Tony Hall have appeared on the William Pace Show. Now, without further ado, we proudly present the William Pace Show on CATV, coming to you from the heart of the Midwest. The William Pace Show, asking the questions you want to ask, getting the answers everyone wants to know. It's a new season of the William Pace Show. We're raising the bar with more commitment to educate, inform, encourage, inspire, empower, and help you have your best life. Everyone deserves to have their best life. I'm just staying the course. Here we go.
Hello, I'm William Pace. Thanks so much for tuning us in tonight. As you know, we always start the show off by reading letters from the viewers, and I love this part of the show. To write to the William Pace Show, write to P.O. Box 3644, Dayton, Ohio 45401. That's P.O. Box 3644, Dayton, Ohio 45401. If your letter is chosen to be read on the air, you'll receive a gift from the William Pace Show. Tonight's letter comes from J. Douglas, and he says, Dear William, I really do enjoy your show. You have personality with capital P. I appreciate what you're doing for the community, what you stand for, kindness, love, wholesomeness, and yes, even entertaining. Keep up the good work. Sincerely, J. Douglas. But thank you very much, Jay, for writing, and we're going to send you a gift certificate to Jackson Daylily Gardens. The next letter comes from Tom Rogers of Urbana, Ohio. And he says, thank you so much for the free gift certificate for the cheesecake to Mahaffey's Pies. I have also eaten at several of the restaurants that you've had on the show. I saw the William Pace Show several weeks ago and became a first-time fan. Thank you for your excellent work. Sincerely, Tom Rogers. Thank you very much, Tom, for writing, and we'll be sure to send you also a gift certificate to Jackson Daylily Gardens. Our flowers tonight are provided by Lines by Louise. Coming up next, conversation with Angela Bailey and Gerald Baker. Stay with us.
The William Pace Show through the years has been a beacon of light in the Midwest, taking you to such destinations as the Navy Pier, the Palmer Hilton Palace Hotel, the German Village, the Showboat Majestic Theatre, the Ohio Village, and the Krohn Conservatory. There's always something cooking in the kitchen on the William Pace Show. Some of the biggest stars, entertainers, and political figures like B.B. King, Jimmy Walker, Bob Carlisle, Patti Austin, Mr. T, Whitley Phibbs, and Congressman Tony Hall have appeared on the William Pace Show. Now, without further ado, we proudly present the William Pace Show on CATV, coming to you from the heart of the Midwest.
Subscribe to the William Pace Show YouTube channel. Be sure to click the bell and give us the thumbs up. Thank you.
My guest tonight is Gerald Baker. He is from American Family Insurance Company, and we both grew up on the same street, Marion Street, on the west side of Dayton. And of course, you know, I've gone on to be in television, and he's in insurance. Thank you so much for being on the show tonight. Thank you.
Thank you, William, for inviting me.
And I might say that you also have your district manager with you. Her name is Angela Bailey. Thank you both for being on the show tonight.
Thank you very much.
You know, I want to talk about insurance because, you know, so much today people are either overinsured or underinsured, and they don't even know it. They don't even know that they're underinsured or overinsured. So what steps can we do to get the word out, to make people more aware of the correct amount of insurance that they should be carrying?
Well, William, we feel it's very important that we inform people as to the need, first of all, for insurance, but more than that, knowing the proper coverage to have. And one of the things that we feel very important that we do is to have a personal insurance review for people. And what that entails is it allows us to sit down with a person to go over their coverage, to make sure that they're not underinsured, and also to explain coverages to them. So by doing that, we have an opportunity to really inform people as to the importance of insurance and also to make sure they have adequate coverage.
So you do sort of like a profile then?
That's right.
On their needs.
That's
then.
exactly right.
So say, for example, if a person is 35 years old and they're making $55,000 a year and say they live in a 3-bedroom house, what kind of insurance should they carry then?
Well, it would depend on that individual and their personal needs, but by going through that profile, we can determine how much insurance they need, whether they need term insurance or a portion of whole life insurance, and sometimes even universal life, but just depending.
So the profile pretty much determines
exactly
what insurance a person will need.
Exactly. And also it determines, it will be determined a lot by what the person's objective is. In other words, some people have different objectives for providing for their family and providing for their future. So what objectives does the person have?
I want to talk a little bit about your insurance company. Now, how long have you been with the company?
Well, I've been with the company about a year.
About a year?
Yes. In fact, I was with the newspaper for about 18 years. And I decided I wanted to make a career change. And so I wanted to do something that would allow me to help people, and insurance really fit that need for me.
It's very, I can see in insurance, it's very people-oriented. You know, you're working with people and families, and tell me some of the situations you've had with some customers that have touched you the most.
Well, I've had, many opportunities to help people, but I think one of the things that has really interested me a lot is just talking with people on a day-to-day basis, and asking them about their coverage. And what I've found, William, is that most people really don't know what their coverage is. For example, with automobile insurance, oftentimes we have people that will say, I have full coverage. But what does that mean? You see? Unfortunately, I found that especially in the black community, many people have what they call state minimum. And state minimum basically means that you carry what the state requires. But unfortunately, most people that have that type of insurance are grossly underinsured. So what really has touched my heart is talking to people and explaining these things to them. And they're saying, well, I never had anybody explain this to me. And once we explain the importance of proper coverage, we're able to help a lot of people, and I really get a lot of satisfaction from that.
Great. American Family Insurance is sort of new to Cincinnati and the Dayton area, and not many people know much about the company. Can you give us a little background information on it, Angela?
Actually, we are the 11th largest property and casualty insurer in the U.S., and we are a multi-line insurance company. So we have auto, home, life, health, business. We now have launched our new product, which is long-term care, which is going to be a huge market with all the baby booming population as our population grows older. We also have a financial services department which works towards offering consumer loans for autos and second mortgages.
So you could actually get a loan to purchase a car through American Family Insurance.
Yes.
That is something new. I've never heard of that before.
It's actually very common with insurance companies to offer financial services. But with us, it is something that we've had as one of our product lines for a very long time, and we're very proud of that. We are a full-service company, and as Gerald has elaborated, we fully expect to serve the community and serve our clients, and not only educate them about what they need and what their insurance needs really are for the properties they own, but to provide everything that they need.
So how does one go about getting a loan to purchase a car through your company?
They actually have to call Gerald. Here in the Dayton market is a good way to start, and he can fill out an application for them and turn it over to our financial services people, and we'll get the process rolling.
So you finance the car, and you also insure the car.
Exactly.
Well, that seems like a good deal.
Well, we want to be a full-service insurance company, and we want to provide all the services for our clients, and that's one of the ways that we do it.
Yeah, that is very interesting. I didn't know that. Also, I want to talk about what makes American Family Insurance Company different from so many of the other. I know the car financing is certainly different, but you say, I guess that's pretty common in insurance companies. But what makes you different from some of the other insurance companies?
Actually, we have about 4 things that make us different than most, and one is one where we are dedicated to our agent field force. We feel that our best distribution system is through our agents, such as Gerald. They live and they work in the communities. They are involved in the communities, and that's a very important issue for us. We want our agents to become involved. We're very involved into community organizations. We have a career fair coming up with the Dayton Urban League on May 15th.
Okay.
So we're looking for other quality people that would like to serve the community, such as Gerald. That's the first one. Second, we have a very good training program. We expect our agents to be professionals in their field. And with that, we feel that it is important for American Family to have the best trained agents in the industry. So they go through extensive training with our company. And with that education allows them the opportunity to provide the right types of coverages for their clients and educate their clients. We also have the opportunity for individuals to go to the internet, and they can look at American Family. And they can find an agent that's local to them. Okay, it's under amfam.com. AMFAM, and they can just learn a little bit about who we are.
Okay, great. We need to take a little break, but we'll pick up with that when we return. There's more to come on the William Pace Show. Stay with us.
The William Pace Show through the years has been a beacon of light in the Midwest, taking you to such destinations as the Navy Pier, the Palmer Hilton Palace Hotel, the German Village, the Showboat Majestic Theatre, the Ohio Village, and the Krohn Conservatory. There's always something cooking in the kitchen on the William Pace Show. Some of the biggest stars, entertainers, and political figures like B.B. King, Jimmy Walker, Bob Carlisle, Patti Austin, Mr. T, Whitley Phibbs, and Congressman Tony Hall have appeared on the William Pace Show. Now, without further ado, we proudly present the William Pace Show on CATV, coming to you from the heart of the Midwest.
Subscribe to the William Pace Show YouTube channel. Be sure to click the bell and give us the thumbs up. Thank you.
Thanks so much for tuning us in tonight. We're talking with Angela Bailey and Gerald Baker from American Family Insurance. And we were talking about before break what makes American Family different from the other insurance companies. So let's continue with that.
Well, I think I left off with the opportunity that individuals have in the community to find us through not only our agents, but to go to the internet and then find out about our company. We also, as Gerald had elaborated before, like to do that face-to-face. We truly feel that that face-to-face meeting with your client is the most important.
The personal touch, yeah.
True.
That's always a winner, the personal touch.
Insurance is simply too complicated in today's world for folks to just buy it and not really know what they're buying. They need to know they're protected when it's time for a claim, because that's what insurance is all about, paying the claim.
Do you find that many people don't really quite understand what insurance they've purchased?
That's very true. Most of the time, as Gerald shared before, they really do not know what they have until it's too late and they have a claim, and then they're asking the company to pay it and they hadn't purchased the correct kind of insurance.
Wow. And you know, one of the other problems is many people have their insurance lapse and don't even know that their insurance is lapsed. And so when they come time to need the need for the insurance is there, they don't have the insurance, you know.
That's correct. We actually have a lot of systems in place to make sure that the insured is notified several times that they need to make their insurance premium payment, or that maybe if their homeowner's insurance is escrowed, that maybe the bank hasn't made the payment and that it's going to lapse if they don't get a payment in there, so they can call the bank.
So you have like an alert system that goes out to alert people.
Exactly.
Now.
There's
That's
several
great.
notices. They usually will get between 3 and 5 notices from the company before it's ever lapsed out. We also, the most important thing, I guess, that comes to with insurance is how we pay the claim. People pay a lot of money in insurance dollars to their insurance companies every year. And what is most important is, am I going to get this money when I need the most coverage? Okay. You know, when I have an accident, are they going to be there for me? When, in fact, my house burns to the ground, are they going to be there? When my loved one dies, are they going to be there for me with life insurance? Has our insurance professional, like Gerald, done their job? So paying the claim is really our payback time to our customers. And we strive very, very hard to make sure that we do an excellent job at that. Not just mediocre, we want to be excellent with our claim service.
Wonderful. I want to talk about the credentials of the company. Tell us a little bit more about that.
Okay. Well, first of all, William, American Family Insurance does business in 14 states.
14 states?
14 states, primarily in the middle part of the United States.
Like the midwestern part of the country?
But we also do business in Arizona, Colorado, and also in Oregon.
Oregon,
Yes.
okay.
Now, American Family came to Ohio in 1995.
1995.
And starting with no agents, and now we have over 200 agents in Ohio.
So there's been a tremendous growth.
Tremendous growth. And what it shows is the commitment that American Family has made to the Ohio region. We're not a fly-by-night insurance organization. We will be in the Ohio area, and we plan on growing here in Ohio. Also, American Family Insurance is a very strong financially. We have over $9 billion in assets, and we have an A+ rating with AM Best, and that's a superior rating that we consistently have gotten. And AM Best is a independent company that rates insurance companies as to their fiscal stability and their strength. So we're very proud of having that rating. In addition to that, we're a Fortune 500 company. So that
Fortune
means,
500.
That's right. So that means we're one of the best companies in the United States. So we're proud of that also. American Family was founded in 1927. So we've been in business over 70 years.
70 years. Wonderful. I want to talk, recently we had the tornado in Cincinnati, and there were a lot of homes destroyed. So can you also help people to have insurance that would protect them in case of tornado, flood insurance, things like that?
What we do, once we sit down with a client and we assess their needs, they have a homeowner's policy, and we assess what they need for their homeowner's policy with American Family. That obviously includes coverages such as tornado coverage. Flood insurance is actually purchased through the national government.
I see.
So you have to purchase that separately, but it is offered through all of our agents.
I see.
So they can purchase that. But we have an excellent plan to handle disasters such as the one in Cincinnati. And what we do, we have what we call a CAT team. It's a catastrophe team. So when we have a disaster hit an area where we have a lot of policies in force and we've got a lot of claims coming, what we do is we actually bring a semi-trailer in that has American Family on it, and it is set up to do claims and settle claims
right there on the spot.
On the spot. They fly them in immediately.
So you don't waste any time?
No. We go right to the site. We start
great.
settling claims. We start getting people back on the road to rebuilding, and that's what this is about. A lot of times when there's a disaster or devastation, they need money now. They don't need it 6 months from now.
Right.
So we've got to be there for them. Once again, it's our payback.
That's wonderful. I want to talk a little bit about some people have, their car insurance with one place and their life insurance with another company and something with another company. Is it better just to have it all with one company?
Well, certainly we feel that that's the case, and we feel that we want to be your insurance agent. So that's why we specialize in all forms of insurance. That means that we sell life insurance, health insurance, automobile insurance, business insurance. So we feel it's very important that we have the full knowledge of our customers, and we are able to provide all of those services for our customers.
Wonderful. And lastly, you have an event coming up with or is it Urban League that you're working on a project? Let's talk a little bit about that before we go.
Okay. With the Dayton Urban League, we've tried, when we came into this market, we've tried to get very involved into the Dayton market and the diverse cultures that are here. So we have teamed up with the Dayton Urban League. We are recruiting 4 quality individuals to become agents within our agency field force for the Dayton area. And so what we have coming up, and we did one last year with the Urban League, it's called a career showcase. It basically has American family there showcasing what our agency career really is. And it is on May 15th.
May 15th.
Yes, and if there's any questions, they can contact me or they can contact Otis or Marcia at the Dayton Urban League.
Okay. Give us a phone number where we can get a hold of you, Gerald, and also you too, Angela.
Okay. My phone number is 937-837-3232. We're located right in the Salem Mall area in front of Lowe's Home Improvement.
Wonderful. You know, we're just about out of time, and I just feel that we just got started. So I'd like to ask you to come back on a future show. Would you come back?
Sure.
We'd love to.
Back?
Sure.
We'd love to.
Okay, thank you. We can't let you leave without a box of Esther Price Fine Chocolate is Dayton's best. Thank you so much for coming on tonight.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We also have something we'd like to
You got a
give
gift?
you. We certainly do.
Well, I'm not used to the guests giving gifts to me, but...
Well, this is from American Family Insurance, and we
Well,
want an
thank you.
appreciation for allowing us to be on your show.
Well, thank you. Thank you very much. I appreciate it, my buddy. You know, folks, we grew up in the same neighborhood on Marion Street, you know? And so we just recently met and got a chance to know each other and got reacquainted. Thank you so much for coming
Thanks,
on.
William.
Thank you
so
very
much.
much.
Thank you so much. There's more to come on the William Pace Show. Stay with us.
The William Pace Show through the years has been a beacon of light in the Midwest, taking you to such destinations as the Navy Pier, the Palmer Hilton Palace Hotel, the German Village, the Showboat Majestic Theatre, the Ohio Village, and the Krohn Conservatory. There's always something cooking in the kitchen on the William Pace Show. Some of the biggest stars, entertainers, and political figures like B.B. King, Jimmy Walker, Bob Carlisle, Patti Austin, Mr. T, Whitley Phibbs, and Congressman Tony Hall have appeared on the William Pace Show. Now, without further ado, we proudly present the William Pace Show on CATV, coming to you from the heart of the Midwest.
Subscribe to the William Pace Show YouTube channel. Be sure to click the bell and give us the thumbs up. Thank you.
To write to the William Pace Show, write to P.O. Box 3644, Dayton, Ohio 45401. That's P.O. Box 3644, Dayton, Ohio 45401. If your letter is chosen to be read on the air, you'll receive a gift from the William Pace Show. Tonight we're starting a new segment, Inspirational Moments, and tonight's segment is sponsored by Jackson Daylily Gardens, where they have the best daylilies in the area. And our inspirational moment comes from Power Thoughts. If you can dream it, you can do it, by Robert Schuller. Curiosity discovered America. Curiosity put people on the moon. Curiosity built Disneyland. Be curious. Curiosity builds creativity. Teachers know that their best students are driven by a desire to know and understand. Students want to find out about things that are hidden. They want to know what makes things work, how to do things for themselves. Have you ever wondered about what you could accomplish if you told yourself anything is possible, instead of listening to people who tell you it's not possible? Always be curious. What fascinates you? What improvements can you make? What can you invent that would make your life easier? How can you be a blessing to someone, somewhere today? Who would benefit from a contribution you can make? Walt Disney said, curiosity is the key to making dreams come true. He always talked about being able to do amazing things because he refused to talk about the things he couldn't do. He accomplished great things because he didn't know he couldn't. Curiosity is the brother of creativity. Remain curious, and you will remain creative. Always believe you can do something bigger or better or more beautiful with your life, and you will. That's our inspiration moment for tonight. Gotta go. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.
The William Pace Show through the years has been a beacon of light in the Midwest, taking you to such destinations as the Navy Pier, the Palmer Hilton Palace Hotel, the German Village, the Showboat Majestic Theatre, the Ohio Village, and the Krohn Conservatory. There's always something cooking in the kitchen on the William Pace Show. Some of the biggest stars, entertainers, and political figures like B.B. King, Jimmy Walker, Bob Carlisle, Patti Austin, Mr. T, Whitley Phibbs, and Congressman Tony Hall have appeared on the William Pace Show. Now, without further ado, we proudly present the William Pace Show on CATV, coming to you from the heart of the Midwest.
Subscribe to the William Pace Show YouTube channel. Be sure to click the bell and give us the thumbs up. Thank you.